In order to do a test for sugar, we use a different chemical, and this time we're going to use Benedict's reagent. So Benedict's reagent is a biochemical test for the presence of simple sugars. So in other words, it tests for glucose. The only problem with Benedict's reagent is that it only works when it's hot. So in order to heat the samples that we're going to test, we need to set up a water bath. So here we've got our Bunsen burner, and as you can see, we've got a closed air hole on the Bunsen burner. We always light the Bunsen burner with the air hole closed. Turn the gas on. And there we've got our Bunsen burner lit on the yellow safety flame. So we leave it on a yellow safety flame because this indicates to people who are walking past that you can see where the flame is and you're not going to burn yourself. When we want to use the Bunsen burner, we then open the air hole and we get this nice hot flame with this blue triangle in it, and the hottest part of the flame is the point of the triangle in there. What I need to do is to set up a water bath, so I'm going to put a tripod over the top of my Bunsen with a ceramic gauze. That just spreads the heat out evenly, and then I'm going to put a beaker of water on top there, and this slowly going to heat the water up and bring it to a boil. In order to test my samples, so here's my two samples which look identical, but one contains sugar and one doesn't. I'm then going to get two test tubes. Put that into a test tube and take a sample from the other solution. Pop that into there. So we've got our two test tubes, each with a urine sample in, and all I'm going to do when I put them in the hot water is to mark on them, one on that one and two on that one. So I've written on them with a Sharpie, so we've got an indication of which sample is which. In order for the Benedict's to react with them, it needs to be warmed up. So I'm going to get some Benedict's reagent, add some of this blue solution into both test tubes. So as you can see, we've got two blue solutions. And what I'm going to do now is just sit those into the water bath of hot water. What will happen if there is glucose present in one of the samples, the sample will start to change colour. So it will go through something that looks similar to traffic lights. So first of all, it will go to a green colour, then it'll go to a yellow colour, and then it'll go through to a red colour. If there is no sugar present within the sample will stay blue. So if I just gently hold the test tube, here we've got that one has given us a positive test. We can see the colour has changed all the way from blue all the way through to our brick red colour, and the other test tube has stayed completely blue. The Benedict's hasn't changed at all. So this one indicates that there is no sugar present. This one indicates there is a lot of sugar present in that person's urine. What we can see from what we've done today is that we're able to make a range of different urine samples to suit whatever needs our students have. We can add sugar if we need to, we can add proteins if we need to, we can change the concentration of urine, we can change the colour by adding different food colours, we can also change the pH by adding acids or alkalis to the urine to give it that different range of effects, so that we can teach students from level 1 all the way through to level 6 to look at varying conditions that may affect their urine. Hope that's been useful. Thank you very much.